Hi, my name's Jodie Johnson from the Tonic Studios, and look at these. These are beautiful. These are your Oriental sky lanterns. Now you've got two different versions. You've got that version there, and you've got that version there. But watch this. They open up. And inside there, you have got all these little compartments inside here that you can put little chocolates in and little gifts inside them. They're beautiful. They really are beautiful, beautiful. And then all you do is you bring them back up and put your lid on. Whoops. Pop you in there, sweet sweetie. And you've got that beautiful lantern. The same goes for this one. Take the lid off and it all just pops open with all your little chocky holes in the middle of there. Bring all that back up and put the lid back on the top. They are something really, really special about these. They're absolutely gorgeous. Get yourselves on our website. They're there, available, ready for you to order.